Is your dryer not heating or drying? So we would need to take this cover off. To do that, we take these two screws out from here and here. Once you do that, slide it out and then lift it up, just like that. And then we would need to take this cover out, which has clips only. You take it out. I have my breaker off, but normally it's good to take the plug out, just like that. So let me show you how this one comes out. So once you do this, then here you go, came out. Then you would lift it up from those clips, and you have to unhook these easily. And then I would open these screws and these two. Then these are the things that's holding right here, so you would press it and take it out. Same thing here, press and take it out, and open the door switch plug. There you go, and lift it up. That's it. So there's the heat element that you need to check. I'm gonna take the drum out so I can be able to check that. We have to open these screws, take this panel out so we can lift up the drum and take it out. And also these screws come out, so this whole thing comes out. And also that's the belt that's going around the motor, and then the pulley. You have to pull the pulley out and take the belt out. This is another direction, another angle. So once you open these screws, you take the top panel out. This front cover comes out. There you go. Put it aside and hook this one, and then undo your belt.